Something unusual happened during the evolution of the internet. Millions of people stopped trying to build traditional careers and started building audiences instead. Some became YouTubers, some became streamers, writers, designers, educators, influencers, digital entrepreneurs, and slowly, attention itself became one of the most valuable assets online. Because in the modern internet economy, people no longer need massive companies to reach millions. Now, a single creator with the right platform can build influence globally.
Welcome to NexNet, Inside the Modern Internet, a documentary-style exploration of how AI, technology, digital systems, and internet culture are reshaping modern civilization. For decades, traditional careers followed predictable systems. People worked for companies. Companies controlled distribution, and large organizations controlled attention. But the internet disrupted this structure completely, because suddenly, individuals gained direct access to global audiences, and that single shift created the foundation for the creator economy.
In this episode, we explore why the creator economy grew so rapidly, how digital platforms transformed attention into income, and why future careers may increasingly revolve around online audiences instead of traditional institutions. Because the modern internet economy rewards visibility, distribution, and digital influence, and creators learned how to turn those systems into businesses. Historically, distribution was controlled by gatekeepers, television networks, publishers, record labels, large media companies. If someone wanted an audience, they often needed institutional approval first. But the internet changed distribution completely. Now, platforms allow individuals to publish instantly. A creator can upload a video, write a thread, launch a podcast, or build an audience independently. And because of this, millions of people realized they no longer needed permission to reach the world. One of the biggest shifts in the modern internet economy is that attention itself became monetizable. Views became revenue, followers became leverage, communities became businesses, and creators discovered multiple ways to monetize influence: advertising, sponsorships, subscriptions, digital products, affiliate systems, and online memberships. Which means many creators are no longer simply producing content. They are building digital economies around attention itself. The internet dramatically increased leverage for individuals. A single creator can now reach millions globally without owning traditional infrastructure. And this changes how careers function online. Because influence no longer depends entirely on company size. Sometimes, a small creator with a strong audience can outperform large organizations in engagement and trust. Which is why modern businesses increasingly collaborate with creators directly, because audiences often trust people more than corporations. The creator economy didn't only change business, it changed human behavior itself. People now think differently about identity, visibility, and career opportunities. Students build audiences before graduating. Professionals create personal brands online. Businesses build communities instead of only selling products. And increasingly, people see the internet not only as entertainment, but as an economic ecosystem capable of creating opportunity. The future of work may become increasingly audience-driven because online visibility creates leverage. Creators with loyal communities can launch products, start businesses, build memberships, or create entirely new digital ecosystems. And over time, audiences themselves may become one of the most important forms of internet capital, because in the modern digital economy, distribution often matters as much as creation itself. So ultimately, the creator economy represents something much larger than content creation. It represents a structural shift in how humans create value online. The internet gave individuals global distribution. Platforms transformed attention into business infrastructure, and creators discovered they could build influence independently, which means future careers may increasingly belong to people who understand audience, distribution, community, and digital systems.
If you want to explore digital civilization, creator systems, AI tools, online business, and the technologies reshaping modern society, subscribe to NexNet, Inside the Modern Internet, and comment below. Do you think the creator economy will continue growing or eventually become too competitive for most people? This is NexNet, Inside the Modern Internet, exploring how AI, algorithms, digital systems, and internet culture are reshaping modern civilization. Because the modern internet is no longer simply a communication network. It became an economic ecosystem where attention itself creates opportunity. See you in the next episode.